G'day guys, welcome back. Too many projects, not enough time. I'm Andrew. Here we are in the shop. Got Ivy behind me. Now, as I warned you guys quite a while ago, I've been off grid for a little while, disappeared off YouTube. Summer's here, so I get really busy up at the lake. We've roofed the about 1,000 square foot little garden shed. I'm building a log cabin. I get busy. Plus I've got some other projects I've been working on too. Firstly, let's do an update on where we are with Ivy. I had to watch a video from a couple of months ago to find out what the last one was. Alright, so which was fitting the brake booster there. Now let me flip this around and give you a little update on this, and then I'll give you an update on what else I've been busy on. Alright, so what we had done, I've done something back here. I think I lifted it up and played around with the gearbox mounts back here, and that's about all for there. In that box, we got a rear view mirror to go in. Alright, other updates. So as you can see, we have an old Range Rover air cleaner, which I'm going to try and run that, make a box off here so it all feeds kind of evenly. I'm using the old Range Rover air box. Has the air cleaner, mounts on a bracket in the back here. Everything's just kind of mocked up to see how it all looks. As I say, we'll just make a box here, connect this box around into there, and then there should be even suckage going on there. We've also received from Australia the Scorcher distributor, built for this engine by them. So that is going to be ready to go for there. Also with the radiator top hose, I couldn't find a factory thermostat fitting that kind of went off at the right angle to come around nice to the radiator, because we're still using, oh, that's what else we got too, to get it out in a second. Still using the original radiator that came in Ivy. It's been recored. I'll show you a picture of that. We got this in. I thought this was 1.5 inches on the top here, but it turns out it's 1.25 inches, even though 1.5 inches is everything else in the cooling system. So I've ordered a 1.5 inch barb fitting. So we'll get this on a friend's lathe, remove the 1.25 inches, fit the 1.5 inches, get it welded on there. So we've got 1.5 inches, so we can have all 1.5 inch hoses. And then we got a 90-degree bend, so that'll basically mount there, coming forwards to where the radiator is. Now all the radiator support here, Series 1, well, the series, they're quite deep, but I don't really have a lot of room here. So I have trimmed, modified, made new bits to mount the radiator quite close up to the front here, but with an original look. That's just sitting on the bench because it needs to be done. We got a belt on there. Come down. We found the right size belt to go on. And then what else have we got? We did the booster, which is a Defender 90 booster, Series 3 brake pedal box, modified shorter to fit under the hood of the Series 1. Just a bit of a recap. We also got the original Series 1 radiator recored to a 4-core. They did a really nice job. They bashed the top out really well, so it looks really good. And then they actually made a custom bottom for it to accept the, I'm going to lose the roof and everything here. They did a really nice job, I can't see what I'm looking at, of doing a bottom tank to match the 4-core. So that will hopefully keep it cool. There we go. Just waiting for a large series radiator cap to come in from my parts supplier. Oh, I got I got these fitted, which are like bulkhead ports for all the wiring to go through. So on the other side of here, then we've got two more behind the dash. So all the dash cables, wires, everything that need to come into the engine bay will come through these two, which is right behind where the air filter box is. And then I got one on this side. Because on the driver's side here, mounting right over this, right there, will be the aftermarket painless wiring system. So that'll mount on the inside of the dash. We also got a battery box and a nice light cardboard battery. Now we just got to make the brackets to mount this, which I think the battery will get mounted in the middle here, right in here somewhere. That's the plan for now. Gas tanks are ordered from the UK a long time ago. Still waiting on them to be made and shipped over. And I think that's it for Ivy. Alright, as I said, I've been busy working on a Land Rover even. Now some of you who do follow me on Instagram and Facebook on TMP.net, Too Many Projects Not Enough Time, may have seen some pictures. So amongst all of this as well, and the lake and the cabins, and we did a couple of trips out to Alberta. We're here in British Columbia, so a couple of long trips out there. The first one, take a look, and second one to go pick it up. So this truck I've got now, bought now, hopefully not another project, but a little bit to start with, because I got to get it through import inspection. Import meaning from another province here, because this has already been imported from the UK, but when I bring it from another province I still have to have a roadworthy import inspection, so I've got to get it through that now. Alright, what is it, you ask, if you haven't seen it on Facebook or Instagram? Well, let me just wander out here. I'm going to give you a little glimpse, and then the next video I'm going to introduce it. But let's just see if I can just peek out of the window here. Really hot here right now. Whoop. Oh, can anyone make that out? Anyway, so that's going to be in the next video, which I'm going to hopefully film tomorrow morning. So it'll be following soon behind here. I got to get up tomorrow, film that introduction, the next video, so I can start putting it all back together. There's just lots of little stuff in it. Anyway, we'll go through that in the next video. But thanks for coming along. You know, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe, tick the bell, all that sort of stuff. Appreciate it. I'm sorry for the long time between videos here. Seems to happen every summer. I do have another video channel, a YouTube channel for the stuff that isn't the mechanical UTV Land Rover stuff. But I haven't even had time. I just get busy working on that stuff, and I just don't have time to do the videos. I just get stuff done. Alright guys, thanks very much. See you next time. See you in the next video. Coming soon. Thank you.